So I need to continue with the cutting the windows. Probably my plan is to cut every day 2 windows. So I have 12 windows, 6 days. I cut 2, so I have 5 days for the rest of them. What I'm trying is, I'm not trying actually, I'm cutting openings for windows. Look at that, huh? Okay. That's good. Now what I need to do is sand this section here and here and fill with the fiberglass so that I have a flush, but this is perfect. Now this is the filling that I need to do, but I'm happy with this. This is cool. This one here I need to refill and make it more flat and then cut them. So, but I don't want to do that now. And please, when you have a time, subscribe and give us a thumbs up and support our channel. And I hope you like it, what you see here. I can't give you diamonds or pearls, hand on the moon and take you traveling the world, but I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die. I'll give you all of what I've got, the fancy things, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die. Good morning, Saturday morning. It's a nice day. Not too cold. Good enough for work without sweating. So much easier when it's colder to work on a boat than to work in the summer here in Florida. July, August. Crazy. So yesterday I did some trimming. Yesterday I did some trimming. Now this is a trimming. Okay, this will go on a wood and this go on a fiberglass. So I did that yesterday, a couple of pieces. Today the goal is to place all these pieces actually on a right place with just 2 screws for now. And then if I need to play with something, I will play. Okay, it's cold outside, but I put the fan just to blow the small dust outside. So I cut the flooring here so that this board can go on a subfloor so that I could raise these panels. Okay, now I will make this edging a little bit better, this edging, and then put the thick wood on original floor, not on this one. So on that floor I will put the thick on an edge on a floor and bevel so that actually doesn't chip. Now I need to cut this and make it perfect. Here is perfect flush, so that's good. Is in. Now I need to put a couple of screws, but the first panel is in. I freak out, I have a couple of chippings here, but anyway I will have a trim. But yeah, stupid mistake, I didn't scribe. You see that loop here? So this trimming will go like this, and you see that the wood under, so that's glued, and that will be like this, and that's nice finish. So that's the finish that I'm looking for. Nothing else. Or like, I don't need nothing better. I just need that. Now I need to screw that, screw on the bottom, one screw, just one screw. And then I'm dealing with this back panel there. So that's the next step. Follow me. So I'm trying to finish all this section here around the engine. And now today I work all day with this door here. So what's happening before, originally here was shelves, like 2-3 small shelves. 2-3 small shelves, and that's it, you know. And now I look some washers, small washers, and I'm trying to make for a washer here. Good morning. Yesterday I did some trimming, place all these pieces actually on a right place. So this one is short here because it's coming here on this section. So when you put like this, you see, and then on the door it will be one on a side that is double. You know, like thicker piece. So that's all this I need to install today. And then also I need to install this piece here to have nice finish trim. And I need to start finishing trim. I need to start finishing trim here. And I talked with Ella maybe to make canvas bag here. And make a small and bigger pockets for the small things that we need. You know, like for phones or whatever we need, we can hold there in that area. That can be in a nice color. Some canvas with isinglass so that you see what is in the pockets. I think it's cool. So also here we will have canvas also on a bungee. But before that I need to install the wood, and I need to build a shelf. There is wider in that area, and then it's coming down, dropping, and it here is maybe 2-3 inch, and there is maybe 6 inch. So I'm thinking if I do something and take this shape of the hole, then I will need probably 8-inch board with 1 inch, and then to take the shape and cut it off that shape so that I could have like the same width in, you know, all the way for shelf. Yeah, I could do that. So we will see. That's why I'm leaving that for now. I want to finish all this trimming now. I need to finish this trimming. So that's also, that's sanded. All this wood that I have from before, and it was stained, like this one. You can see here, it was stained. You can see it was stained, dark mahogany, and a couple of coats. So I sand everything off and I remove the coating. What I will do, I will bleach everything, because I will show you now what's happening. Because the stain is still inside the wood a little bit, okay? If I don't remove the stain, it will show different color. And I will show you this. So this piece here that you see is the same wood, but I didn't remove the stain. I didn't bleach this wood. So what's happening, you can see the difference in the color. This is more grayish because that mahogany color, you know. So even if it look like stained, like I removed the stain, but actually I didn't 100% remove the stain. So if I don't bleach, that's the finish. If I bleach, this is the finish. It's big difference. And this finish is what I'm looking for, because this finish, you can see, This is nice finish. You know, so that's what I need. I need good finish here. No mistake. These both need to be perfect. For my eyes. Perfect for my eyes. Then I will be satisfied. Probably I will never be satisfied, but it's okay. But yes, that's what I'm doing today. See you later. Today I work all day with this door here because this floor coming up slightly. So if I try to open this now, I can't because I need to cut off 3" from the bottom and then install that 3" in the floor. So we will see that. So this is what's happening. So this is original wall that I kept, but it was tiny, and I fiberglass, I epoxy, let me see, is it visible? I epoxy this one on that wall. So, and that's good now. Now, on the other side, you see the wall that I built? So this wall, because this section here getting out, you see that section is out, and that's for a frame for the glass door. What? I mean glass door, probably plexiglass door we will put here. It was a Teak Formica door originally here. Okay, so to get a space here for 18" space for washer that we're planning to install, I cut this wall before, and now I managed to make the square, and you can see how it's in an angle there in the bottom. So I managed to figure out how to make a shelf. This will be small shelf here, and this door will be like full opening door for washer. Now, when let me see, okay, now, this is engine room here behind is engine room. That's a head also. So, now I need to figure out, I need to remove this water from a boat. I don't like this floor. You know, like you can see here how it's just moving, doesn't have a support, or the plywood is bad. So probably I will cut it off everything and put new wood. Okay, and I installed the cleats here, and on the floor I installed the cleats here. So I will have a shelf here. I will have a wall here with the opening that I could approach to steering system, and also nothing will be under shelf. Nothing will be under shelf here that I could approach to this section here on the engine. This panel I will cut it off and make removable panel also, so that I could approach if I need in this section here. So that's the plan. This is probably 1/2 inch from the steering system. I hope it won't interfere with the wall. If I have issues, I will move the wall like 1/2 inch towards me here, but we will see. Yeah, that's what I did today. It's super cold today. And in Florida, it was, I don't know, 33, 20, or 28, something like that, Fahrenheit, and around 1 Celsius. And the neighbor bring me he bought the bigger heater, so he bring me heater, but I was okay anyway. So, yeah, that's what I did today. And I think this will look nice when I finish this edging, when I put here the trimming here, and when I fix this wall a little bit. I think it will look pretty much nice. Okay, now I need to fix all these tools before Ella came to pick me up in probably 30 minutes. See you. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and please, when you have a time, subscribe and give us a thumbs up and support our channel. And I hope you like it, what you see here. Okay, if I forget something, please remind me. See ya.